Hi guys, magandang araw, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ipagmayabang ko lang po sana yung achievement na anak ko na babae. At ito yung na-achieve ng anak ko na lalaki guys. Unang-una sa lahat, magpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil nabibiyaan kami ng mga anak na nagpursige na mag-aral. Ito yung mga achievement ng anak ko guys. Ito pala si Siljim, siya ay grade 6 na at nag-graduate pa lang siya. Proud na proud kami ng mama at papa niya, pati ang mga lolo niya at saka yung lola. Kahit wala ako sa tabi nila, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil nag-aaral sila ng mabuti. Ito pala yung mga achievement niya guys. Dami niyang Communication Arts Award, na kaano din siya, at saka itong Leadership Award. Patuloy lang sa inyong mga pangarap. Science Award, ito yung mga achievement niya guys. Academic Excellence Award, at saka nabigyan din siya ng scholarship. Inoferan siya ng scholarship guys. At saka Sports Award. Dami kasi niyang achievement. At ito na guys, pakinggan natin yung welcome address niya ni Siljim.
To our distinguished guest, Ms. Maricel O. Arosa. To our school in charge, Mr. Daniel A. Reyes. Our school's PTA President, Mr. Adonis Aliola. Dynamic teachers and staff, Barangay Council of Mahabu. Our dear parents, fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon and welcome to the 82nd closing ceremonies of Mahabu Elementary School Year 2024-2025. The most significant event in a student's life is none other than graduation. And since it is the end of this stage in our education, it brings us a mixture of joy and pain. Joy for reaching our goals, and pain for saying goodbye to the people who became a part of our lives. We would like to thank those who worked hard in organizing this well-prepared event. Our graduation is even more memorable because you have spent time and effort to ensure that we will have a meaningful ceremony. Thank you, dear teacher, for the knowledge you have given us and all those lessons you have shared with us. Thank you, dear parents, for working hard to give us a good education. We are happy that you are here with us today because this is a milestone for us. And most of all, thank you God for all of your blessings. And so, my dear parents, honored guests, in behalf of the graduating class, it is my pleasure to welcome you to witness this year's closing ceremony. Classmates, fellow graduates, I wish you all good luck for the coming years in our life. May the years to come be kind to all of us, and may God and His wisdom bless us with success. Thank you very much, and once again, welcome and good afternoon.